4 things that you can do to make a man absolutely miss you. This video is gonna show you the most powerful method to make a man feel distanced. It's what I call delightful distance that'll make him miss you, chase after you, and pretty much hunt you down like a tiger would hunt down prey. I'm not really being that serious about the tiger analogy, but I kind of am. When a man misses you, it's obvious. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a powerful 4-step method to make him visibly miss you. Not where you have to question, does he miss me? You're gonna know beyond a shadow of a doubt that he absolutely does. Hey, it's Erin, your personal love expert, backing in on the channel where we make men make sense. VixenDaily. If you wanna learn 4 things to do to make even the most distant, guarded, and difficult man miss you, then write "I'm ready" right now in the comments down below while the intro plays. You guys have asked me for this video so many times. I know I always do say that, but I only like to respond to videos that are requested. So I hope that you guys enjoy. But before I dive in, I have a very small favor to ask you. If you like this video, any of my videos, anything about me, what I am wearing, love advice, give me a like, a thumbs up, give me a like, share, subscribe, tell people all about it. So let's dive right into the number 1 thing to make a man miss you. What is it? Guess right now in the comments. What can you do? Leave your perfume so it lingers. Leave your clothes at his place to make him remember you. Basically bring your toothbrush and pretend that you're moving in to terrify him and then never leave, thinking if you show what a good girlfriend you are, he'll miss you. No, those are things to never do because that will backfire. What you should do is, number 1, be fun to be around. What do I mean? Go be a cheerleader, start high kicking in the air and go crazy thinking that you're some peppy person that is gonna, automatically make a man miss her by being super fun and fake. No, I don't mean that. I don't mean that at all. In fact, being fake is unattractive. Being fake comes off as desperate, like you're trying to please him. Be fun by having fun in your own life. Have fun in your life, and your fun energy, the fun you really have, is gonna translate over to him. Being fake fun is not fun for anyone, and if you're not having fun on the inside, you're not gonna come off as fun to him either. That's the key here. And honestly, what's more important is what you're not doing. So yes, being fun is great, right? Being fun is easy, in fact, but what's really happening is you're also not doing things that actually sabotage your entire ability to be fun. People automatically want to be around fun people. When we have fun around someone, we want to be around them more. We care about having them in our life because people do what they want to do because it feels good, not because it feels tiring, not because it causes anxiety. People gravitate toward things that spark an adrenaline and dopamine response that's good and pleasurable. So it's a human instinct, right? So if you learn how to be able to spark that feeling, you'll be automatically fun, but you can only do this when you're not doing one big mistake that so many women make, and that is getting excited about the situation. What does that mean? Why is getting excited bad? Isn't getting excited a pleasure thing that is fun? Isn't being excited fun? No. That's why this is such an intricate topic. That's why you're gonna have a different experience in your love life after watching these videos. It's not because I'm giving you some generic, hello, be fun. That's not what I'm announcing here. That's not what I'm advocating. What I am actually suggesting here is, number 1, find fun in yourself, be fun in general, but also don't get excited about him. Don't get excited about what could be. Don't get excited about the future of your relationship. Don't get excited about the babies you can have and the life you can build. Don't jump through hoops from 0 to 60 and expect the world without even knowing who he is. Fun and excitement are not necessarily the same thing. Getting excited about the relationship means that you have no other form of excitement in your own life. What I'm asking you is to generate excitement in every arena other than the relationship. In other words, you're not trying to get fun or joy from a relationship. You're not looking at this relationship to extract something from. That means your whole life is void of any meaning and any type of good emotional happiness. You're not fun You're actually relying on this relationship. You're being an emotional vampire, which is the opposite of fun. And when you get excited, you end up doing things to secure the outcome of your relationship. You are constantly seeking reassurance. You're needy. You're terrified that if he doesn't do something, then it means he doesn't like you anymore. That's not a relationship. That's a desperate cycle of a really short-term spark of adrenaline when you think that he likes you, but it's followed by a really severe low when you realize, whoa, he has no real strong tie to me. He's not reciprocating this, and I'm so scared of losing him that I'm going crazy doing things to attract him. But what you are really doing is your excitement has turned into fear. Your fear of loss has turned into really delusional behavior. And the delusional behavior repels him and makes him say to himself, I don't want to have a person in my life that is extracting. Give yourself the freedom to have fun and you'll give yourself happy relationships. Now, another thing that's really important is you have to understand this, and I say this a lot in my videos, but it's because it's very important. You are realizing that in order to have fun in your own life, you need to be composed and you need to be pleasantly detached from the outcome with him. So what you're not doing, and this is a checklist to keep in mind, you're not seeking reassurance from him. You're not doing things in an exhausting fashion that feels tedious, trying to make sure he's still interested. You're being pleasant, carefree, and in the moment. You're present. You're able to enjoy the present moment with him. You're not fearful. You're not afraid. You're not doing anything. You already have fun in your own life. I did a snap, I don't know why. You're fine. You're not looking to him. People honestly can't give you happiness. I know it's a constantly repeated mantra, but there's a reason everyone says it. And the reason is this: it's true. I know a lot of people say it, and a lot of things people say are not true. But this mantra is true, that if you're fun, if you're fulfilled, you won't be relying on some guy to come fill your life with joy, and then you'll end up getting the guy. It's really simple. It's a very simple thing that we all know deep down, but we forget. And that's okay. I'm here to remind you, because when you're in it, you're emotionally invested, but I'm telling you to wake up from your slumber and see the reality that I know you already know. Also, if you want help making sure that you're doing this right, do come to VixenInsider.com. That's where I can give you direct help and prevent you from making a really fatal mistake that will honestly sabotage your entire love life. And it's not because you don't know what to do, it's because you're in a state of emotional intensity, and our emotions have an arresting effect on our love life. So VixenInsider.com, if there is space available, do feel free to join. So here's the real thing. The energy of fun and freedom is that I don't care if everything falls apart. Repeat this. I don't care if everything is ruined. I'm free and fun. That's it. Nothing more. It's not that you don't care. It's not that you're some callous sociopath or narcissist or bad person. No. You care enough to know that caring about the outcome kills the love. That's it. You care enough to know that caring and putting pressure is selfish. It's actually very selfish. It's not fair. He's not some entity there to give you fun. You're gonna enjoy each other, and a relationship is about mutual benefit. Okay? Now enough with that. If you want more help, go to VixenInsider.com. I can give you all the direct help because I know how tough that issue is to just crack. But number 2 is give a man SPA. I think if you've watched any of my videos, you can fill in the last 2 letters, space. If you're just watching, you know that a lot of women subscribe because of my space. I feel that space is often covered, but no one really just gets to the heart of what space is. What giving a man space does, it's literally the best cure for pretty much the broad spectrum of relationship problems. So you're in a situation, right, where a guy doesn't miss you. How can someone miss you when they don't give you space? Space is literally the heart of what creates love. Space is an ingredient that you need to cook up love. You cannot get a man to love you and stay in love without space. You cannot get him to miss you, and you cannot get him to stay with you. You must love space as if your life and love life depends on it, because it does. If you are smothering somebody, you kill the shot of love to grow. It's like a plant, you overwater it. So what this means is this: you know that men need space to breathe. You're loving your life, you're having fun already. You know that space is crucial, but you're also having fun. So this automatically lets you give him space. You don't want to be that clingy girl going, hello, 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 how are you? Please come home now. Why would you ever want to put yourself in that position? Why would you ever want to do that? Don't you also want space for yourself? If you don't right now, learn to. You'll love it, and your love life results will be yes. Trust me on this one. I mention space so often, not because I'm a parrot, but because it's crucial. It's a consistent, predictable, and formulaic part of love. For a man to miss you, he needs the room to. Number 3, be emotionally self-sufficient. So what does this mean? It means this: you're okay on your own. You're happy on your own. You're confident that your life is going to be fine. If you need someone to survive, you need to really seek another type of journey in yourself. You need to have a journey of self-discovery where you say, look, if I really need a guy to feel okay, there's something wrong here that I have to fix. Don't ever think that you need someone to feel sane, because you're gonna repel anyone unless they're extremely codependent and not even the right match anyway. If you stumble upon a person that needs a woman or needs you to breathe, and maybe you think it's romantic, maybe you like that, but deep down, you'll say, wait, this guy is needing me for his entire sense of contentment and fulfillment. Something is wrong here. So don't ever look at it from a perspective of, I need him to survive. And number 4 is give emphasis to quality over quantity. So I'll cover this one quickly, but I wanna make sure you understand that this is the last thing to do to give him the desire and real love that will make him miss you. Making a man miss you happens when you focus on quality over quantity, but this happens automatically when you do the 3 things I already mentioned. If you do want help making a man miss you, and I mean difficult men that seem like they hate you, or if you've made a mistake, I think you should come to VixenInsider.com. I'd be happy to have you if space is still available. Again, that's VixenInsider.com, because it's where I give you direct feedback and we fix mistakes and troubleshoot everything. But for now, know this: quality of time spent is more important than quantity. Make the interactions good and he'll want more. Leave him wanting more. Don't text too much. Don't call too much. Don't push him to always interact. But when you do interact, make it good. Less is more. The process of missing you is going to happen naturally. When you do that, it's a philosophy to embody, and it works. You'll see how well it works. So on that note, I really hope this has helped you, and I cannot wait for men to go missing you and going, hello, I want you to respond to me. I cannot wait for you to get the text message when he says, I miss you so much. I saw this movie and it made me think of you. That is what I want for you. And that's what I want to help you with. If anyone wants help, again, VixenInsider.com is where I can give you direct feedback. Making a man miss you is very simple and it's formulaic. That's what I do there. So give me your full attention and we'll work together to make that man that you want miss you so much his brain hurts. This is possible. I've seen it again and again. You might not believe it now. These are not just words. I've seen it. And from where I'm sitting, I know what your love life could be like. So come join me at VixenInsider.com and we're gonna be very happy together. And you'll be very happy when you see these results like that. It takes patience. It takes opening your mind, but it's very doable. So also be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this, and so you can finally have the love lives that you want, which is what I do want for you. And always, as usual, comment with your thoughts, questions. Do you agree? Do you have anything you want clarified? And I will see you next time.